Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a package size for your products on Shopify. Shipping cost is one of the most important factors if you want to stay competitive in the e-commerce industry. That's why it's so important to map out a defined shipping strategy. Since the world of shipping and fulfillment can seem complex while you're not familiar with it, we've got an overview in adding package sizes for your product. Many carriers now calculate shipping rates based on the dimensional or volumetric weight of your shipments. This is the reason why it's very important to specify the package size, especially if you're selling different kinds of products. You may need to set up multiple packages for each of your product. This is for you to make sure that you're charging the correct amount for the shipping cost, because a high shipping cost is also one of the setbacks of your customers. So let's walk you through in adding different package sizes for your products. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Access your Shopify admin. Visit www.shopify.com. Once you're in, click Settings located on the bottom left of the Shopify admin and select Shipping on the grid. Scroll down to the Packages section. This is where you should see all the packages they have created previously. Click the Add Package link or button. On the Add Package window, you should see two tabs: Custom Packaging and Carrier Packaging. Custom Packaging is where you can set up your custom package. Just select the package type, indicate the size and weight of your package, and name this custom package. Carrier Packaging, on the other hand, is where you can use the packaging of your carrier. There are two default carriers, USPS and UPS. Each has its own package sizes. Click the carrier name to access the package size available for that carrier. It is up to you if you want to automatically set this as the default package. Once you're done with the settings, click the Add Package button. You should see a prompt at the bottom saying that Shopify has successfully added a package. You will then see that the recently added package at the bottom of the list. So that's it. That's how you add a package size for your products on Shopify. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.agency and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!